Yo, 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 what is good, you guys? What an amazing Friday. I mean, we've been on a little kill streak. We've been on a 7 day win streak, but I wasn't really focused on the winning part. I was just mainly focusing on not over trading and, limiting my losses, and it's been playing out for me. I can't believe it's been, that simple this whole time, but hey, that's the journey of the trader. But anyways, coming to today, we had an NFP. All right. What do we get from NFP? Data release here, 8:30. Right. Created this data low. Then what did it do? Manipulated to the downside, and then went on take out these all-time highs that were back here at London. So the London and all-time highs were swept there. Came back down, retraced, and then created this all-time high using that data injection. So coming into the day, I did want to see price since it was shopping up here, coming into New York market open. I wanted to see price come take out this data low from NFP. The NFP is a very, very, very strong draw of liquidity, so I wanted to see the sell side get taken. I did not think we were gonna dump this much. We dumped all the way to yesterday's session's low here and filled the very, very small rest of this end dog back here. You can see that little gap right here. Yeah, so I guess price was very, very deep on this retracement today, because after I saw this 4 hour here, after I saw this 4 hour get inversed, I was like, okay, yeah, price is gonna keep dumping. And what was the most significant low below that 4 hour fair value gap? The previous session low from yesterday, right? So yeah, sorry, let me get rid of this real quick. I'll fix the chart shortly. So yeah, I went short here, and honestly, again, I went short because one, it was an all-time high and it was a data high, so I wanted to see price come and take that data low, like I mentioned earlier, right? I entered early here. Once it swept it, entered early, and I closed it once price came back up to my entry. So I had a break-even trade, and then I saw it was dumping here, and I thought it was gonna finally make the move, but I didn't enter just yet. Came back up, swept it once more, and then I later realized we had formed SMT here with NQ, right? NQ is making a higher low there, creating bullish SMT, while ES or SPY and ES made this higher high, taking out that data high, all-time highs, whatever. And that's why I decided to short it. So I kept my stop again right at the high. I did not want to see price go any higher. I wanted it to come down and take out this data low, and what it do? Did just that. Even though I did close it a little early, I was in this trade for 20 contracts, so like 2 cons. A little aggressive, but again, I've been running on my balance on my funded account, so I have more room to play with now. So I'm leaving my emotions at the door and not even worrying about the risk, because I know now I could like make it back following proper risk management. But yeah, hopefully I didn't go over my 5 minutes. But look at this, right? Price got that data low like I wanted to, even though I did got out early. But what I keep doing, it kept dumping to that previous session low. I missed out on like 40, 50 handles, dude. I don't want to think how much money that would have been if I would have held with those 20 contracts on those micros. But yeah, that's enough yapping for me. I'm gonna post a screenshot, and it is gonna look hectic, but I did explain to you guys here how I close it at break even and then re-enter. So I'll just leave that for the proof, since could not get a video. I don't know why my screen recording is not working, but I was upset because this was a good trade. But yeah, all right, enough yapping. See you guys next time. Yo, what's going on, guys? I know this looks a little more funny today, but we had a lot of executions on the screen, so I wanted to explain my executions. I entered 10 contracts here, then I added another 5, then I closed it for 15, then I got in for 20 cons, got out for 20 cons here. When price started disrespecting my theory, But once price had hesitated at this high for a third time, and this was all-time highs and data highs that these were sweeping prior, I was looking for a short, so I added here 20 cons. I started with um, 10 and I added another 10 here. Then I got out 20 for about 17 handles. Not bad. We made around this much on the funded account. And even though I want to see price go out and take out these data lows, since I was in a more aggressive and heavier position, this was more enough for me. Decided to take my win and run with it. So, other than the losing positions, let's see, where was this at? This candle. So yeah, basically top tick the market here. What time is this at? 7:02. Oh, never mind. 10:11. 10:02 here. Oh, that was so crazy for me to find, but yeah, very, very aggressive tight stop. I do not want to see price go past these data highs. And look, what's price doing? Going for those data lows. And even though I was like, probably put my mortgage that price is gonna take out this data low. I don't care. I got enough of the cake. Got a piece of the cake for today. We had a completely green win streak this week. Can't complain. I'm more than happy with my performance. And yeah.